in time to the 60s. Feel the thrill inside. I'm on now with the wind in our hair and the radio up loud. We'll cruise down memory lane. Ain't nothing gonna bring us down. No, no, no. Chrome grill, white wall tires, man, it's a sight to see. The classic Phillies on four wheels like they used to be. From the Chevy Bel Air to the Ford Mustang GT. These retro cars, they're timeless, just like you and me. Yeah! So let's go cruising down memory lane in our retro rides. The memories will never fade. Feel the freedom in the breeze as we hit the open road. We'll keep on cruising together, no matter where we go. Yes, we will. Take a ride back in time to the 60s.